Hi viewers, welcome to BSP Voice. Today the topic is look beyond the words, not behind the words. Look beyond the words. Yes, word power made easy. The power of words really great magic. It makes relations, it breaks relations. The words what we use, they are going to create miracles, magic, mesmerizing. So using the words mesmerizingly, that makes some relations. How the words we are using, that's important. That makes a strong bond between parents and children. That makes a strong bond among the friends. That makes a strong bond among the teachers and the students. That makes strong bond between the employer and employees. It's what look beyond the words. That's very important for us. So that how the words really influencing us. For example, you can take the word like sin. People don't like sin. Yes, we can't do anything wrong. So when we do anything wrong, that's going to be sin. So that it is going to affect the people using the wrong words, using the negative words repeatedly. That is going to impact the people negatively. So that the words what we use should not be negative. The words always be good, excellent, wonderful, right, great. And don't say simply that here, and don't think that the word which I used unconsciously is not good at. So using the words consciously is very important. That is called professional. So the words, however you use that, after using the words, you are going to hurt the people with your words. When you use the words, you cannot get back the words. So here, before going to react to anything, just think that whether the relation is going to be stronger, whether the relation is for a long time, just for the temporary purpose. So the relation depends on the words. So that here, how the words really are useful, as you know that people say that here, what about the right circumstance of this village or the town? People felt that only however you speak, that depending on your attitude and how you speak to the people, that makes the relations. Of course, there are many people, even you speak very good with the people, but sometimes the response may be different. But thing is here, the words what you use, that's going to make great difference. For example, when you say that anything that your appreciation of a person, what is this? Even small achievement also, just appreciate. Congratulations, you have done a great job. You have done a fantastic job. Like when you say like that, that will be boosting and that gets great relation. But today, people can't appreciate anyone. Wish the people birthdays. When today people are not finding the time to wish anyone because of busy life. So when you wish good to people, you definitely get back the same good things. This is only the law of nature. So here, don't think that here, if I wish the people very good, so that may not happen like that, right? That may not happen to me. Why it's not happening to me? Why should I go for that? So these are all the things wrong. That's why using the words which are really making the relations very strong is very important today. So that your bond is very important. Anything may be earned, but when there is bond is broken, so automatically